So we've got no drainage close. The echo drains didn't go nowhere, so we've knocked a hole. We've got to put a down pipe up here to take all this and round the corner. Got to put the down pipe in that corner. Then we're going to dig this up to there. We're just doing a test hole there. We're going to do a test hole there, test hole here, and a test hole there. See if this soakaway is any good. I've done my calculations. We've got the main building soakaway calculated at 2.6 meters, and then we've got the annex calculated at 1.2, which means a total at 2.6. So it needs to be that big. Like I say, we're just doing a test hole now, filling the dumper full of water. And then we'll mark 25% of the hole, 75% of the hole, fill it full of water and time how long it drains, takes the drain between them two marks. So we've got the hole dug, we've got our pegs in, 25%, 75%, and then we'll tie them between them two. Filling for 45 minutes and it just won't go above this mark here, so we're good. Got all the trench set out that way, digging the trench the soakaway that way. Yeah, the test looks good. We've been filling for 10 minutes, can't get it past the 25% mark. So we've got a dumper full of water and we'll fill it with that and see and time it. Right, go on then, go for it. Yeah, but go back a bit maybe. Yeah. Go on all the way. Yeah. So it's there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, go. Digging the last bit of the soakaway today. We've just put all the turf back down, connected to this down pipe to the soakaway. Connected up that down pipe to this soakaway. Then we're just going to dig all these crates in now and fire it all in the skip. Right, pea gravelled the base. Now lay that geotex material and fire them in. Join it up to this T-piece that we've got in here and give it a test. Crates are in, just got to level them up and fasten them together and then backfill the hole. That's the pipe connected, wrapped in geotex material. Just started to absolutely chuck it down. I'm going to fill it full with pea gravel now and fill over the top. That's 100 mil of pea gravel down the sides and on top. So just got 300-400 mil of topsoil to put back on the top. Just beat the rain, it's just started to chuck it down.